Hello guys, welcome back to Financial. About how much does an adult human brain weight? Option is 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds, 5 pounds. The correct answer 3 pounds. 3 pounds answer explain. The most complex part of your body is your brain, which is responsible for your intelligence, your sense, how your body moves, and how you behave. At birth, the human brain's weight just 1 pound. By elementary school age, it's up 2 pounds, and the finally weight in about 3 pounds as an adult. The adult human brain is about the size of a grapefruit, shaped like a walnut, and is a pinkish. Pinkish gray color. About 80% of the brain is water, 10% fats, and the remaining 10% is protein, carbohydrates, soluble, organic, and salt. It has a consistency of soft gelatin, 36 ounce, the equivalent of 3 full soda cans of blood flow through the